Hello, welcome to Grow With Me. My name is Michelle, and today we're going to be doing another Palmstreet unboxing. I have some lovely plants here. Let's see what we got. Okay, so the first box is going to be from Palmstreet. Is going to be from Jack's Jungle, and this is how it was packaged. Right, so the first thing we have is the invoice. And this is going to be a Hoya Michelle Splash. She sends plant care tips. Isn't this cute? She always does a good job of packaging. I'm going to put this over here. And let's see. And look how nice it's wrapped up. Okay. All right. Taped up very nicely. Ooh, okay. Fluff. And this is, let me put this in here. Okay. Ooh, it's a little loose, it's a little dry, but look how beautiful. This is the Michelle Splash. You all know that I love this plant. Oh, it's a little, the leaves are a little soft because it's a little dehydrated. Jack's Jungle. Okay. And move this out of here. And we're going to go on to the next box. Now this big box is from the nursery. The vendor is called the Nursery Project. Look how big this box is. So we have a lot of plants to go through. Let's see what we have here. Okay, it's a little difficult. Okay. I've gotten plants from the Nursery Project before. Okay, let's see. They taped it down well. They taped it down. Go ahead, come on in. Come on. Okay, so let's see what's going to be the first plant. As usual, I'm going to try to start with the smallest plants. So I have 9 plants from the project The nursery project, the project nursery. I gotta see what it says. Okay. Let me see if I even remember what plant this is. I think this is, it's called the blush. Please, people, is it a, oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, love it. This is so adorable. Look how adorable this plant is. I don't know if they don't even put a tag, but I will look and see what it is, okay? Because I think it's something blush. Okay, let's see. Okay. I will put the name on the screen. Okay, so you'll know exactly what it is. I know it's something blush, but I'm not sure if this is this has to be an anthurium, or is it an alocasia? I'm not sure, or philodendron, but I'll let you know. Okay, then we're gonna go on to the next one because we have a lot to go through. I have a lot to show you today because I have some plants that I purchased from Trader Joe and from some other places, so you're gonna see that too. And I got one today from Home Depot. Ooh, ooh. Wait a minute. What? Did they send me two of the same plant? This looks like, I only bought one. I know that. I think they sent me two of the same plant. Let me see, because this looks like the same thing. Look at this. Wait a minute. No, no, it's a different plant. This is a different plant. Woo. But it's just as beautiful. I'm going to put the name because I don't know it. Let me see. Let me see what it is. So that is so this one is called a silver blush. And this one, no. I'm going to put the names because we're going to be... Okay, so this one is the red. It's an anthurium red, crystallinum, and regale. It's a cross. Okay, I'm going to put it on the screen. It's anthurium red, crystallinum, and regale. Okay, let's move on to this one. Okay, and this is a Hoya parviflora splash. I remember that because this is the flora that was in this purchase. Okay. Okay, so this is the oh yeah, I'm making a mess. This is the Hoya Harvey Flora Splash. A nice full plant. Okay, then we're gonna go on to this one. Let me try to clean up a little bit here. Okay, because it's making a mess. I'm making a mess. I didn't put anything down on the table, but I'm about to. Okay, I'm gonna put this down because I am starting to make a mess, and let's do this. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see what this is. I think this is a no. Okay, I think they need a little drink of water. They're a little dehydrated, right? And this is going to be, I just need to keep it up. This is the Milano. Okay, and the next one, I'm gonna do this one. Ooh, this is going to be not the Milano. We just did the Milano. We did this one. We did the cream splash. This is going to be the Alocasia Maharani. Yep. The Alocasia Maharani. They say it's supposed to be an easy plant. We'll see. But I've got a new cabinet today. And guess where these are going? Right into that cabinet. That's right. Trying to keep them alive. The Alocasia Maharani. Look how beautiful. Okay. The next one, let's see what this is going to be. Okay, this is one that I purchased before, but this is a bigger specimen. And this is the Picta, the tricolor. The Syngonium Picta tricolor. And this is a bigger one that I got last week. I love this plant. I love the colors of this plant. And I'm gonna put it together and make one big full plant. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Beautiful. The Aglaonema Picta tricolor. All right, on to the next one. Let's see. And this is the Hoya insularis. I have one, but it had like maybe 4. I think I got it from the same vendor, the nursery project. The nursery project, yeah. But this is a fuller plant. Again, I may probably put them together, combine the plants to make one full plant. But here it is, the Hoya insularis. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, and this is the philodendron cream. Okay, I have a Brazil, but I don't think I have any of the Rio. This is the cream. Yeah. So let's see. It's beautiful. It's a full grown plant. And look how beautiful it is. Again, the philodendron cream splash. Okay, we have one more left. Let's see what it is. I should know, right? I should know what it is, but you gotta forgive me. Ordering too many plants. This is the philodendron Jose Bueno. I have one already and I love it. I do not know why I needed two. I think I have a problem.